Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into EPIK app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The EPIK app makes editing photos and videos easy and surprisingly powerful. With AI driving tools, a lot of filters, retouching options and presets, it's great for casual editing, social media content, or giving travel and portrait photos a polished look quickly. Many users find the interface intuitive and the basic edits like brightness, screen smoothing, or simple filters can work well for free. On the downside, most of the stronger tools and high quality edits are locked behind paywall, and some users report bugs, crashes, glitches, or lower quality results, especially when using advanced filters or doing complex edit. The subscription models and the frequent upgrade to pro upsell can feel steepy if you only need light editing. So in my opinion, EPIK is worth using if you want a quick, easy, reasonable, powerful photo or video editor, especially for social media posts or casual content creation. If you are after pro level editing or do heavy editing often, it can feel limiting unless you pay for the premium. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure to subscribe for more review.